Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make the MiniVerse special edition cheesy Gordita crunch and crunchy tacos. There is the user's guide. It's everything we got. Here are the instructions. Here's a QR code if you need it or want it. Alright, so sit back, relax, and I'm gonna get to work. Alright, you guys, what do you think about those Taco Bell tacos? They are so cute, absolutely adorable. Now, I did do a remix. I used the tacos from this box. I think this comes in the Spaces Frozen Foods, but don't quote me. I used this as the Dorito taco, right? Because there is a cheesy Gordita crunch taco version in the Dorito. So that is what this one is. And I figured, well, I have two of these, which are so cool feeling. They're like a rubbery. But since I had two of them, why not remix, right? So I made the regular cheesy Gordita, which I think is this one. Uh-oh. Yeah. So here is the regular one. It's not wanting to focus. Okay. So that is the regular. So I was able to make two cheesy Gorditas, one with a regular taco and one with the Dorito taco. And then I made two tacos. There's the other one. So stinking cute, guys. I'm like, oh, I love this so much. I hope that you enjoyed the process video of me making these. I really enjoyed creating them. They were so much fun. I really like these tongs. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you. Oh, a couple of things. While I was making them, I did use my multimedia mat. This is the this is by Ranger. This is like basically my favorite go-to when I need a hardcore glue. This is what I use because it'll stick anything. But I put it under my meat to help hold the meat. I put it in the Gorditas to hold it to the taco, because I know the resin, you're not going to be able to get that to cure it so that it'll hold. So I use that to do that. I also put some between the meat and the lettuce before I put this 3 cheese blend to help hold everything down. And then I used the resin, of course, and cured that. But it just to help everything hold. I also did use some regular clear resin in between here and there to help hold. You'll see when I used it. But yeah, just to let you know on that. So again, thank you for watching. Leave me a thumbs up, comment. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!